Let's close our eyes and begin listening to our breath. Become aware of your body moving in rhythm with your breath. Let's begin counting our breaths. As you breathe, silently pace and count through each portion of the breathing cycle. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And pause, 2, 3, 4. Work with this breathing pattern. At first, you might notice a slight tension in working to regulate your breath. Just let go of the tension and relax into the pattern. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Now, continue to count breaths and place your attention around your heart center. Imagine a warm glow of golden light in and around your heart. Sense that you are breathing through your heart center. Continue relaxing into the rhythm of counting your breaths while placing your focus on the light surrounding your heart. Let's gently begin our first affirmation. I relax and I let go. Think these silently in rhythm with your breath. I relax and I let go. Feel your body relaxing and letting go of everything that is going on in your life at this time. I relax and I let go. Now, while continuing to count your breaths, let's move to our next affirmation. I let go and I let love. I let go and I let love. I let go and I let love. I let go, and I let love. Now, let's shift to the next affirmation. I am in the presence of my higher power. I am in the presence of my higher power. Let's continue using this affirmation while we visualize our sacred space. This can be your favorite place to spend time: at the beach, in the mountains, a holy site, or a favorite room. Make up your own sacred space if you wish. I'm in the presence of my higher power. I am in the presence of my higher power. Spend some time relaxing into this presence. Sense the loving, healing energy surrounding your heart center and comforting you. I am in the presence of my higher power. Now, in this sacred place, in the presence of our higher power, we experience the qualities of our higher power. So let's change our affirmation to, I am the light of my higher power. I am the light of my higher power. Imagine being in this healing light and in the sunlight of the Spirit. Next, let's experience our higher power's quality and action of love. I am the love of my higher power. I am the love of my higher power. Feel this presence of loving, healing energy. After being in the light and love of our higher power, we now experience divine peace and serenity. Our next affirmation is, I am the peace of my higher power. I am the peace of my higher power. While you are in your sacred space, in the presence of your higher power, there is nothing to fear. Let's affirm, I am now free from the need to escape my thoughts and emotions. I am now free from the need to escape my thoughts and emotions. I let go and I let love. I am now free from the need to escape my thoughts and emotions. I let go and I let love, resting in the light, love, and peace. I release my fears. I am now free from the need to escape my thoughts and emotions. I let go and I let love. Now, imagine that you are in outer space. You are looking at the planet Earth. It's beautiful, and you can surround it with that cloud of loving, golden energy from your heart center. Just imagine that we are in the presence of our higher power. Practice sending this energy out, around, and through the planet. We are in the presence of our higher power. Sense the oneness of this moment. We are in the presence of our higher power. We are light, love, and peace. We are light, love, and peace. Now let's take a moment and not do any intentions, just rest in the presence. Let's wind our meditation to a close and slowly bring our attention back into the room and into our bodies. Just know that by continuing to work with this meditation, we can develop these sacred spaces within us. We can practice being in the presence of our higher power and understanding how we can bring this presence more fully into our lives.